In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Bumble account. If you've decided you no longer want to use Bumble, this process is fairly simple, but it's important to know that deleting your account is permanent. Once it's removed, your profile, matches, and conversations will be erased, so make sure you're ready before you confirm the deletion. To begin, open the Bumble app on your mobile device and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside the app, tap your profile icon to open your profile page. This is where you'll find the settings and account management options you need. From your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings menu where Bumble keeps your account preferences, notifications, and privacy options. When you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The delete option is usually placed near the end, so keep going until you see it. Now, tap delete account. At this point, Bumble may ask why you're leaving. You can select a reason if you want to provide feedback, or skip this part if that option is available on your screen. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to continue. These prompts are there to make sure you understand what will happen when your account is removed. When Bumble asks you to confirm the deletion, type the word delete exactly as prompted. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental account removal, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once that's done, tap the final delete account button to permanently remove your account. After you confirm, wait a moment for the process to complete. Once finished, your Bumble account will be deleted. That means your profile will no longer be visible, and your matches and conversations will also be removed. As a final reminder, this action cannot be undone once it's completed, so be certain before you move forward. If your goal is only to take a break, you may want to review your settings first before choosing permanent deletion. But if you're sure, these steps will fully remove your Bumble account from the app. That's all you need to do.